Good morning everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Microsoft's emphasis on developers in India, Google's Bard chatbot renamed to Gemini, Amazon's Alexa devices usage in India, Apple unveils MGIE AI model for image editing, successful orbit entry for NASA's space satellite, Google updates AI model Gemini with Ultra 1.0, SoftBank sales majority stake in Paytm and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella emphasizes the momentum around developers and development in India. India is second to the US in terms of the total number of developers on GitHub and expected to surpass it in 2027. Nadella highlights the importance of platform shift for driving economic growth in India and outline AI transformation opportunities. Google renames its Bard chatbot to Gemini and launches a dedicated mobile app on Android and iOS. Gemini Ultra 1.0, the largest and most capable version of Google's large language model, is introduced. Gemini, available in over 150 countries, part of the Google One AI premium plan for $19.99 per month with Ultra 1.0 called Gemini Advanced. Amazon reveals that Indians most frequently use Alexa-powered devices to control light. Alexa smart speakers and Fire TV stick purchased across 99% of India's postal codes, leading to a surge in smart home devices usage. Amazon announces deals and discount on Echo devices, Fire TV and Alexa smart home bundles. Apple unveils MGIE LLM guided image editing and AI model enabling image editing through natural language instructions. Developed in collaboration with UC Santa Barbara, MGIE uses large language model for pixel level changes in photos. MGIE handles common Photoshop adjustment, object manipulations, background replacement and more. NASA's space satellite launched on a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket successfully enters sun-synchronous orbit. PACE will study climate change impact on ocean phytoplankton and analyze air particles influence on cloud formation. Mission delayed to adverse weather conditions but achieved effective instantaneous launch. Google announces significant updates to its AI model Gemini, surpassing human experts in various benchmarks. Ultra 1.0 model, part of ChatGPT's paid version, set new benchmark in text, image, audio and video. Gemini Advanced, a new feature, provides access to Ultra 1.0 excelling at complex tasks and is included in the Google One AI premium plan. SoftBank, Tokyo-based tech investor, sells a majority of its stake in Paytm amid regulatory uncertainties. SoftBank offloads Paytm shares due to concern about India's regulatory environment and Paytm Payments Bank's license. Paytm faced warnings from regulators and RBI's suspension impact its stock price. SoftBank reports first profit in 4 quarters. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.